like you said, once you've got your points, you highlight them, all right? And then we were right-clicking, were we? No, not that one. Highlight, and I think over here, I've got list of points. So if I click on list of points, I can click OK. I think that's different how I did it before, but you'll see it all come up. But what's happened is, why is it not on my screen? Further out, good. So I need to make sure that I can see the 40s to 60s. So I'm going to go to my settings on the graph page. I'm going to make sure that my y-axis here, look, it needs to go from about 40. So I'm just going to start it at 40 and I'm going to go up to 80. Okay. Sometimes you have to put the maximum in first, or it's not liking that. That's right. All right, there are my points. Right. Yes. Recording. This is the line of best fit thing, but we are missing something at the moment. What are we missing? Good. What is it? Say it louder. The mean point. So do you remember we have to do the mean of all the x values? Do you remember how we can do that super quick? Yeah, because we want to add them all up and divide by the number of numbers, but the computer will do it. So I think if I highlight them and click here for the sum of button, the sigma, are you all paying attention to this? Please don't not and then expect me to come around. Click on that and we can do mean. Right. Don't be afraid of the 0 because sometimes it doesn't like what we're doing. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to do the second one. Click on that, mean. It's done it. I'm now going to go back and redo that one. And for what I don't know why it's done it, but why is this one by? It says 2.22, but look, 1.1.1.1. Why is the mean 2? The outlier, the 7, has ruined everything. Well, maybe it's not ruined it, but it's, now we might be going, but that has ruined. What I'm going to do now, let's see what impact it does have. Let's do highlight, click, list of points, okay, click OK, and it has given me a new point, all right. What's that point called? Well, I can look over here. It's called K, so I know it's this one. And what I can do, I don't know how to do that on here. Let's have a look, settings, I've right-clicked. I can click on colour and change its colour, I believe. There you go. Do you want to see how I did that again? Click on the points, I right-clicked, and I went to settings. You can probably go up here as well, look, and just click on colour and change its colour. So now there's the reason for that, all right, is what's the reason why I need to know where the mean point is? Anyone remember? But why? Good. Line of best fit has to go through that point and that point only. So I need to know which one it is. It's not part of it. Now, what do you think? If I keep that other point in now, is that ruining things? Do you think it's worth removing that other point? So should we try it? Because look, it's way away from the data. I can't just leave it on the graph because it's still affecting my mean point. So if we delete that, what do you think? Has that given us reason to consider it an outlier? Definitely. I think let's get rid of it. That would be another reason. Right, so it's gone. Are you all with me at this stage? Have you all done that yourself? Yeah? Do I need to pause? Yes, I'll pause. I'm recording again. So what we want to be able to do, now if this was on paper and you were pen and paper and ruler and whatever, we're sorted. We lay our ruler through that point and make sure the ruler kind of follows the pattern, right? We can't do that on a computer screen. That's the downside of using a computer. So what we're going to do is this. All right. We want, I think, we actually, where is it? I want something different. Okay. Click on your graph screen and you get these options up. Have you all got those as well? Because if I click here, look, I get spreadsheet options. If I click here, nothing changes. If I click on the graph, I get those options. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a point, but it's not going to be a numerical point. I'm going to click on that, click on point, and I'm going to just click anywhere I like. What I'm going to do here, look, is I'm going to make this a different color as well. All right, just so it's clear that it's got nothing to do with the data. All right. All good? All right. That E is a construction point now. So what I'm going to now do is, because I'm still in the graph mode, I'm going to click on this option here for line. And I'm going to click on line. All right. Now I've got to be a bit careful. Don't over-click. So I'm going to click on E, because that's the construction point. And then I know there's one other point that the line has to go through. Where is it? Where? Okay. So I'm going to click. Oh, look. So be careful you don't click. Click on K, if I can find it. Might need to zoom in, I think. Just so that the computer knows I've clicked on it. Now be careful. If I move and click somewhere else, I'll get another line. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go over here and click that first. All right? If you do, don't worry about it. You'll add a new point. You can just delete it and the line will go. Now I'm going to zoom back out. I'll pause. What's the next stage then? Next stage, take your construction point and move it. And make your line fit where you think it should go and let go. Got that? So click and hold, move it around. Make sure the point is away from your data so you're not adding a new point. Put it in somewhere where you think your line of best fit is. Let go. You've got your line of best fit. All right?